Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back again with another eye makeup tutorial. This time using the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice Mini Palette. This is their holiday release for 2020. Anyways, if you guys want to know how I created this eye makeup look, then please keep on watching. So I hope you guys enjoy that tutorial. I am actually pretty happy with the result of this overall eye makeup look. After applying on liner and falsies, I am pretty impressed actually with the quality of the eyeshadows within this palette. There are some kickbacks, more so than the previous one that I had reviewed on, the hot buttered rum one. So there's not much kickback on the hot buttered rum palette when I was picking up the product with my brush. I noticed that with this palette there's a lot of kickback, especially with the matte shades within this palette. I don't know why, maybe because they formulated the brighter shades differently, but I did attempt to swatch these shades for you so you guys can kind of get the feel of the color story of this palette. So this particular shade is called Hot Toddy and it has a dual chroma effect right here. It shifts from orange to pink. I thought that was really unique and I applied that on all over the center of my eyes today, and I absolutely love the look of that shade in particular. One of my favorites within this palette. And I also really love this bright eggplant color. It will have been nicer if it's a little bit deeper to help deepen up my crease a little bit more, but I do really like that this color works well with this shade over here, and I think they go really nicely together. So overall I like this palette, but I don't love it. If I were to just choose between these two for the fall themed palette, I will go for the hot buttered rum one. There's just so many warm shades, like warm neutral brownie shades like burnt orange and etc., that really just reminds me of fall in general. But with this palette I don't really get that fall vibe, if that makes any sense. This palette color story ties into the spring and summer vibe a little bit more. So the only shade that seems off within this palette to me personally is this hot pink shade, because it's just so bright and pink and it's just so out of place. But the rest of the shades that I decided to use for this makeup look, I think they work really well together, and I love how small and portable it is. So I am overall pretty happy with this palette. Now if you guys are worried about the scent, it doesn't smell like gingerbread latte at all. It just smells sweet like the other one. I don't think it's overwhelming or anything like that. And they kind of smell different too. Anyways, I would still check out this palette at Macy's if you guys are interested. And this, I'm pretty sure you guys can still get this palette on Ulta. I'm not sure, I will double check and leave links too. If you guys are interested in what I have on my lips right now, I have the Alter Ego liquid lipstick in Jealousy, and it's a nice eggplant pinky sort of color that ties this look together. So these Alter Ego lipsticks were sent to me for free, but I really love the look of this. It feels so super comfortable on my lips. It feels like I have nothing on my lips, and it's definitely not drying out my lips or anything like that. My lips are just naturally dry. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions or if you have this palette, let me know what you guys think. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.